make sure you have enough air. Otherwise, if you lose so much air, it's just gonna be like it's just gonna bounce kind of thing, right? It has to be hard enough so that you can push this one down by turning it clockwise. Alright, so as you can hear, the air is leaking really, loud now. And there's two these tools here. As you can see here, this one is just like a drill bit. Let me open it actually. Alright, so as you can see the difference right here. I haven't used this one yet. I just bought this, and as you can see here, I only paid $3 from liquidation, and they are just exactly the same, no difference. So yeah, it comes with the other tool that where you push the actual patch. It comes with 3 patch and this rubber cement, and this one is to clean the hole of the tires. Alright, so let's patch it up. I still have some left over from my other kit, so I'm going to use this one. Right, but I don't have the rubber cement anymore, so I'm going to use that one. So I just tried this tool here. This one is kind of like has like a sharp edges here. Like when you turn it clockwise, it's cleaning the hole, and it's making it bigger, so that it's gonna be easier for you to insert the patch later on. So I would say, if you guys wanted to buy the kit, I would really try to look for this type here. This one here is good, but it's not sharp enough to clean, the hole in the tire, and it's kind of like hard to push it in. This one is really easy, and as you turn it, like if you try to hold it and turn it, you can hear that the rubber is cleaning, like it's like cutting some of the rubber inside the holes. So, and it's easy, it's way easier. Right, so as I said, I'm gonna use the old kit that I have. I rubbed it with. It's really hard to take it off, especially when you're using gloves. So what you have to do, you're gonna grab this tool here, and then you just have to insert it. All you have to do is to put this rubber cement in the hole of the tire. You can see that there. Okay, no more air. Oh. And you can see the cap here. There's kind of like you can push it to poke a hole. Oh, it's too much. Yeah, what I always do is to put some here as well. And we're gonna push it all the way in. It's gonna be kind of tough to do this. This is what I said, if you don't have enough air anymore, so you're just gonna keep bouncing. So I have to pump it with some air. Let me get my compressor. Alright, so I got my compressor here. This was I bought this from Amazon last year. This is my third compressor. The first compressor I have, I bought it from Costco, and it's used it for a few years, and finally it's quit on me. So, and then I bought the second one, also quit, and then this is the third one. Actually, even the compressor of this one here quits. And let me just you can see now it's hard. It's easy to push it all the way in. Alright. Alright, so you have to push it all the way until you have like probably an inch or half an inch left, and then you have to pull this out, and then there you go, that thing should stay, and then that's pretty much it. All you have to do is to cut the existing patch. And look at my knife. I don't know if this one's gonna work. It's too short now, but I think it will work. Okay, I think that's silly. Even though you don't cut that off, actually it's just gonna stay there, but it's kind of just ugly. You can see the big brown when you turn the wheel, so I just wanted to cut it off. So I'm gonna try to use this instead, a wire cutter. I think it will work. There you go. Yep. There you go, it works. Okay, now what we have to do now is to pump the proper pressure of the tires, which is I'm putting like 42. This is like 50 psi maximum. I only put like 42. I just prefer that psi is not so bumpy. So, alright. Alright, so I pumped the tire and it's actually 41.5 psi, and the final check is you get a soapy water. This is only, you know, I mean if you're home, but if you're on the road you cannot check this, right? Because you can do it actually without removing the tires. So you just have to turn the wheels and then, you know, like get access to the holes if you can see it. And yeah, that's where you're on the road, right? But now I'm home, so I want to double check it. You don't really have to wait actually until this one get dry. It's just like it's just dried right away. It's just the pressure of the air pressure, it will make it tight actually in the hole. So I'm gonna spray some soapy water, see if there's some leak in it. Most of the time you have to wait for like probably a few seconds, and then, but I doubt it, because like I've done it. I've done this so many times. As you can see here, this kit comes with a five patch, and then two of them I use it on my previous cars. Like the second one I use it for my Odyssey, and it's already my Odyssey is already sold. I sold that. And then the third one I use it for my friend's truck, like a F-150. He got a leak on the tires, and then yeah, we fix it. Like we made that you know, at the birthday party, and he mentioned that he has a slow leak he got like in the tire, because he got like a screw in the tires. So we fixed that without removing the wheels off the truck. And the fourth one I use it here, right? So yeah, so again, if you compare this kit to this kit, I'm not a professional, by the way. I'm just doing DIY, and but in my experience, I would prefer to buy this one here, the one that looks like that. It's more easy to use than this guy here. Yeah, again, this kit here, I paid $3 from liquidation. They're, you know, work exactly the same. Actually, like if I remember correctly, they are the same brand, actually, exactly the same packaging and brand. Is just this one I bought it. I think I bought this for like $7 from Canadian Tire. Yeah, but the only difference, it comes with like 5 patches instead of 3, right? But which you can buy this separate, actually. And this one here, the important thing is you have these tools here. Otherwise, yeah, and once you finish this, just buy this one and the rubber cement. This one is like you can use it like multiple times. There's, get the big container here. Anyway guys, so let's go back there. As you can see, there's no leak, there's no bubbles, there's no air bubbles, so I think it's fixed. And I'm gonna what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove my snow tires and then install back my summer tires. I don't think it's still gonna snow in Vancouver. As you can see, it's sunny. By the way, that's my truck there, and that's my trailer. And yeah, so that's how you patch the hole in the tire. That's how you fix it. It's so easy. Of course, it's requires some, you know, time and you know, power to push that in, but if you know what you're doing, it's so easy. It's always good to know how to do it. Like if you call like a roadside assistance, if you're, as I said, if you're in the middle of nowhere, it's gonna take you like, I don't know how much you have to wait before just to get your tire fixed. You know, like it's better to fix that than using your spare tire. It's gonna take time to remove the wheels and then install your spare tires. If you have this kit, it's so easy. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.